We are taking popcorn today, okay?
No, we are not.
Listen to me, why? Okay, 6.99 unlimited.
Bujji, no. It's
Full refill.
Arre, no. It's
See, let's
expensive.
do it.
No, it's
I
okay.
will fill my stomach till down to neck. Okay?
अरे अभी आलू पराठा खाए हम. I don't know. I'm not a popcorn fan. हमारे गली में 50 रुपए.
मुझे डीमार्ट में 35 रुपए.
Hey baby. Good morning. Good morning, babe. Happy Sunday. Look at me. Babe, I love you. Say hi. I want to take you somewhere today. Do you wanna wake up and get ready? I got ready. Yes. How am I looking? We are going somewhere.
Does it involve me spending money?
Bye. What does it mean, Ram? Why you saw me? Bujji, it's okay. You need not spend any money. And basically, what is this about money?
Weekend I was spending.
Bujji, don't be so mean. I got ready, guys. It's only my husband who has to get ready. వీడు ఎప్పుడు ఇంత ఎక్కువసేపు పడుకుంటుంటాడు. అవునా కదా? చెప్పు. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఓ హ్యాపీ సండే. ఇవాళ మనం ఒక సండే వ్లాగ్ చేస్తున్నాం. యాక్చువల్లీ కిస్సీకి చిన్న సర్ప్రైజ్. వాడు ఇప్పుడే లేచి తయారవుతున్నాను. ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ ఈస్ హియర్, సో లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టేక్ హిమ్ సమ్వేర్ వేర్ హీ లైక్స్ టు స్పెండ్ టైమ్. కిస్సీ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ గ్రేట్ యానిమల్ లవర్. యానిమల్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. వాడు వస్తాడేమో అని భయంగా ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, సో క్విక్గా చెప్పచ్చా? ఏం లేదు, ఒక డాగ్ ఏమంటారు అది, డాగ్ కెనల్స్, యాక్చువల్లీ డాగ్స్ అమ్మే ప్లేస్, డాగ్ కెనల్ ప్లేస్ హైదరాబాద్లోనే ఉంది. సో ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టేక్ హిమ్ దేర్. సో కిస్సీ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ రెడీ, హీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ షవర్. ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ వీ విల్ హెడ్ అవుట్. వాట్ బేబీ? Get ready, Ra.
Can you get my black shirt?
Why will I get? Go get yourself.
I can't find it.
No, go get yourself.
Please, Ram.
Well, Ra, please. Na chala neersanga unde. Go get it. How is my dress, babe? We will show our outfits, guys. Nachaled, guys. He did not like my outfit. What is your problem, babe? I am ready, Ra. From how much time I should wait for you?
Where are your socks?
Why will you wear my socks? I don't understand.
Because I don't have mine. I'm not finding mine.
This is how we get
Hello.
late for anything that we plan. Where, Ra? Where is the socks?
I got one you took. You snatched it from me.
No, I did not hear. Show me that. Whose socks is that? This is literally small size. That's mine. Why are you wearing? I don't understand. Where is your socks, baby boy?
What did you filter?
Where is your socks?
I had 3 pair of socks and you stole.
Why will I?
Remember this.
It's in the boots, huh? Bujji. Arre, eppudu ra arre.
It's in the boots. I forgot.
Yeah, from Bujji. You're. Oh my God! Look at that smelly socks.
Which it doesn't smell.
Yuck! Baby! Bye. Did you please, Ram? You'll get diseases because of that. Okay, wear my socks. Wear my socks, it's fine. Wear my socks. It's fine.
See the size of your socks and see the size of my feet.
Wait.
Doesn't even fit.
Arre, marendu techo?
I didn't know that it is so small.
Socks wash cheskora, please. నాకు స్మెల్ వస్తుంది. Baby.
Have you ever been to boys' hostel? Alright.
You never took me to boys' hostel.
Bye.
You never took me to boys' hostel, baby.
I mean, have you ever seen the situation?
You never took me to boys' hostel. Did you? Given a chance, would you?
No. Why will I ever do
Bye. ఇంకెంతసేపు రెడీ అవుతావు బేబీ?
Well, but just because you got ready today once, Just because you got it today once.
ఎప్పుడు నేను ఫాస్ట్ గా రెడీ అవుతాం.
Just don't show off. Okay. This is the first time that too. You're not telling me where we are going. That's why.
Finally, let's go.
Did you record it?
It's a recording, right?
Okay.
Hey, are you coming or no? Coming or no? We are late, Ra. Come fast.
Coming, Ra.
Where's the water bottle?
Not picture ready.
Babe. Yeah, we'll show the outfits. చాలా రోజులకి బాగా తయారయ్యాడు గైస్. లేకపోతే నేను ఎప్పుడు స్టైలింగ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంటుంది. ఓకే బేబీ ఐఎమ్ పోస్టింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్. లిసన్, ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ ద థింగ్. కిసి నెవర్ వెంట్ టు ఎనీ Kissy never went to any trips before. I'm the only one who is there in his life, who bring color to his life. Listen to the story. I'm posting on Instagram. How was it?
What, Ra?
I'm the only color of your life.
That is true. That is what you should tell. Instead of that, never went to trips and all.
Yeah, you never went, na?
I went, okay.
No, without me you never went. Come on.
I went so many places.
Okay, let's show the outfits, na? Okay, these are our outfits. చాలా కష్టపడి బాగా తయారయ్యాము. We look nice together, రా baby. వీటిది మొత్తం చూపిద్దాం. చెప్పరా నీ అవుట్ఫిట్స్. అరే వెనకాల బాగాలేదు ఇట్రా. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. వాట్ డిడ్ యూ వేర్? చెప్పరా. అరే
Top to bottom Zudio.
hey, this is not Zudio. Yeah. Yes, guys, top to bottom Zudio. Yes.
Nice reason you got, Ra.
Bujji?
Just because you're shooting videos, that doesn't mean that you don't have to do work, Ra.
Bujji, you told why, all this nonsense. Why you're cleaning that thing? You told now why this brush and all. Whatever, the duster.
Since you bought it, now I have to use it. I have
Shut
to make
up,
use of
okay.
that money. It's not even cleaning, Ra. What is this? See?
ఏమైతుంటే ఏంట్రా నువ్వు?
Traditional cloth would have been like much better, Ra.
క్లాత్ ఎల్లు క్లాత్ తుడుచుకో. దా గివ్ మీ దట్.
Don't
గో గివ్ మీ దట్ రా.
get that cloth, Ra.
గో క్లాత్ తుడుచుకో. కిసి
Where is your shirt, Ra?
క్లాత్ తుడుచుకో నువ్వు.
I will, Ra.
నాకు ఇచ్చేయాలి.
Next time when I come from Australia, I'll get my own t-shirts or the old ones.
వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఇగో ఇక్కడే పెట్టి మర్చిపోయాడు. Who'll get the water bottle, Ra? Babe, what is the difference between you and my dad? I'll tell.
Not required, Ra.
I'll tell you one huge difference between you and my dad.
Actually, I don't want to know the difference in it.
No, I want to tell, na.
That a person doesn't want to listen. Why do you want to say?
No, I want to tell, especially to all the husbands out there. No. It's okay. It's only for my husband. So, what is the difference? Key difference is, మా డాడ్ అయితే మొత్తం అన్ని కార్ క్లీన్ చేసుకొని హిల్ క్లీన్ ఆల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ హిల్ హ్యావ్ ద కార్ రెడీ. నేను దిగేటప్పటికి రెడీగా పెడతారు మా డాడీ. నేను జస్ట్ ఇలా వచ్చి స్టెప్ ఇన్ చేసి కూర్చోవడం, ఇంకా అక్కడ నుంచోవడం అట్లా ఏమి ఉండదు. ఓకే, యు గాట్ ద పాయింట్ బేబీ.
See,
Difference.
I didn't take dowry from you.
Hey, stop talking about such sensitive things, babe.
So dowry is not, we are not supposed to take.
Okay, are we ready? ప్లేస్ తెలియదు గైస్, ఎక్కడ తీసుకెళ్తున్నాను నాకే తెలీదు. ఐ మీన్ ఐ ఓన్లీ డోంట్ నో ప్రాపర్లీ, బట్ ఇట్స్ 30 kilometers from here. Babe, Hyderabad is big, okay? Can't complain about distances now.
It's not about Hyderabad being big. It's about me traveling so far.
Let me try it then. Should I try?
No, it's okay. It's
See?
better I sit in the driver's seat than you.
That's how girls out there learn driving, so that you need not let your husbands give you a bahana.
Not that you drive bad, you drive really good, man.
Thank you. Guys, big flop. Oh my god, that place is closes at 12 again, reopens at 4 o'clock. Oh my god, I thought I'll go right now.
I'm planning. superb.
Oh shit!
And now where will we going?
I don't know.
What is the place name? We don't know. Means
Arey, surprise. That is surprise, Bebo.
the surprise is flop. No, now just at least tell the place name.
No. We'll go to Kalkira.
You can check in the Prasads.
You have Book My Show app?
Yeah.
ఒక ప్లేస్కి తీసుకెళ్దాం అనుకున్నా, అది ఇప్పుడు క్లోజ్డ్. ఇప్పుడు సినిమా ప్లాన్ వేస్తాం. చా, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. వాట్ ఆర్ యూ హోల్డింగ్?
My only. Only stealing.
Tell na, what happened? Tell you're pissed off with me. Tell I told you. Why is your face like that?
India is not for beginners. I'm driving cars, so I have to be very careful. Zig bikes will come, so.
Oh, so you're saying that you're a beginner?
It's not for beginners.
Vlogging chala custom, guys.
Can you please check that if there are tickets or not?
Checking ra.
Because if you are driving slow, brake right, get down.
Car is more important than me. I'm also new wife on everything.
This is just 6 months back, 2 years back.
Here, book ra, please. Please, we are going to Kalki movie. Yay! What ra? Not excited, huh?
No, yeah.
Prabhas fans hurt ayitaru. Chappu.
Your Prabhas.
After movie, I'll take him there. Probably. You'll be surprised. Did you set your hair?
Of course. I applied oil. I
Gee.
combed my hair.
Your area bound. What is this?
There is a dumpian also. This should be said.
Huh?
There is a dumpian also.
Vijay, that is the worst thing to say when I say the area is good, okay? 11:45. I just want to be there just on time. Before time, I'll be bored.
No, you can check. It's not good to just access my phone without my permission.
Eh, I'm just
That's
checking
right.
the directions,
Yeah.
ra.
Directions?
Directions. Stupid. I'll call my mom. Wait.
Why you are calling mom now?
Why do you need all questions? I'm checking your phone.
Did you fart?
Gee, babe. Open down. iPad. Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh my
You
God.
farted and
Gee,
you farted and making it look as if I farted.
babe.
Vijay, I don't smell, okay? You do.
Stop it, Ra. Can you behave yourself?
Cheapo.
What happened, baby?
Took back money from my account. I'm changing my password, removing a fingerprint from my phone, okay?
Babe, what is there? Your money is my money is your money.
Except that yours is not mine.
Just transferred money for the tickets to me. That's why he's so pissed off. Are you pissed off, baby? What are you shooting?
Clean people. See my shoes and see yours.
Yours are new, okay, no.
You're such an evil person. You made me fall into this trap.
Why? Hi, kiddo. खेलते रहो इधर, मैं जा रही हूँ.
Come to my level, Ra.
This is your level, huh? What? First floor to second floor.
We have this and you're taking popcorn today, okay?
No, we're not.
Listen to me, why? Okay, 690 mein unlimited.
Bujji, no.
Full refill.
अरे no. It's
Let's
expensive.
do it.
No, it's
expensive.
It's okay, Ra. 690 में मैं popcorn नहीं खाता
I will fill my stomach till down the neck, okay?
अरे अभी आलू पराठा खाए हम.
It's okay. For the movie we came this, I spent 900 fucking money, okay?
What? कितना है?
So, Ravi, 690 mein popcorn. Okay. Unlimited. Much ever you want.
I'm not eating Bebo. 690 में we could have a meal, okay? We'll go outside and have a meal and
690 you won't get anywhere near.
No, I will eat little only.
Let's see.
No, I decided. I don't know. I'm not a popcorn fan. घर में 10 रुपए तो मैं कर लेती हूँ ना. Ray, this is marketing tricks. Oh my god, I can't believe that you're falling for this. Wait.
Vijay, I'm still not recovered from that 950 you took from me.
Wait. Be a charm, okay? Where to spend, where not to spend. It's a
The charm
tactic.
it's not a charm and it's the only me. It's me only who is spending.
Vijay, please, Ram. Listen to me, okay? We'll have a meal. We'll have proper lunch after the movie, okay? No.
Let's me
No.
check what is there apart from popcorn.
No, I'm not agreeing, babe. Stop.
Let me
What do you mean? Babe. No, don't look that side.
wait.
Don't look that side. You're looking like a kid, okay? Kid.
One second.
No. Let's go.
One second.
मुझे उतना मैथ्स क्यों कर रहे हो मैं मुझे stop doing all that.
Wait. That combo, a blockbuster combo. Let's see how much is it.
मुझे
See the price.
no, even if they give me for 100 rupees, I'm not taking popcorn. Popcorn is not my thing.
100 rupees. You will go running. Okay.
No, listen.
One
Hey,
second.
behave classy, babe. Oh my god, unbelievable. Oh, begun, guys. The show has begun and this guy is like sitting there and...
Which screen return it?
Oh my god, babe, which train?
Seat number.
Seat number, I don't know.
Best heavy flow protection now at just ₹60.
Your inspector or what? Inspecting the seats and everything.
meets in
Theatre is too good.
we call it the one and only
Huh?
For this we paid for
one and
yeah.
only.
Are you there?
Nice choice, na?
Super fast speed, 20
I came
plus
here
OTTs, 350 plus TV channels.
What?
Smell the popcorn and come.
ले लो रा लेना है तो सच में लेना है तुझे
Water now you will tell unlimited popcorn which you should have taken first time only.
Please help us provide you with this will
coming
enable
on
us to start the next show on time.
हमारे गली में 50 रुपए
जी डीमार्ट में 35 रुपए.
How's the movie, baby?
It was good from the.
Even
Actually,
I
the
liked
graphic
it.
was so good.
Yeah.
Best work.
He did not understand the movie that much. इतना दिमाग नहीं है.
Yeah, we know who did not understand.
I have a little bit less knowledge in Mahabharata. That is why.
We know who kept on asking. But you're not understanding. Not understanding.
I was asking small questions because I did not read Mahabharata or like I did not see any Mahabharata stories. I know basic story only, to be honest.
Just need really coffee or food.
Oh my god, guys, this guy is full. Like he didn't even let me shop.
Put in the directions.
No, I can't.
Please, my head is like bursting like anything.
Wait, what are you doing?
Let me have food.
You're hungry.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Say hi, Ra. Say hi. How's the movie, baby?
Movie was good.
Till the end, you won't know what is Prabhas's character. That is like ultimate. Super ఉంది guys. చాలా బాగుంది. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ కంటే సెకండ్ హాఫ్ అయితే చెప్పరా
Second.
ఎంజాయ్ చేయలేదా మూవీ
I enjoyed you were like with them sleepy.
కొంచెం ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ స్లో ఉంది కానీ బాగుంది వెరీ నైస్ వెరీ ఫ్యూచరిస్టిక్ సో మూవీ ప్లాన్ హిట్ గైస్ మూవీ ప్లాన్ బాగానే అయింది సో ఇప్పుడు ఫుడ్ తినడానికి వెళ్తున్నాము. యాక్చువల్లీ అక్కడ ఫుడ్ కోర్ట్లో తినేస్తామన్నాడు. ఇట్స్ లైక్ వెరీ హంగ్రీ. హీ థాట్ ఆఫ్ ఈటింగ్ దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, బట్ I didn't feel like. There is a place where we are going today. There's a place name Narsinga. Hungry bird. ఎందుకు ఆకలేస్తే ఏం మాట్లాడవా? నా గురించి ఆలోచించరా? You're not thinking about me. Think about me.
Asking me to think about you when I'm hungry makes me angry. Okay.
शादी के पहले बहुत कहते थे ना.
I'm driving. Let me focus here. Don't pull my head towards you. Okay.
No, look at me and drive. That's what love is.
That way you will go to heaven. I'll go in hell. Okay.
Why me heaven, you hell? But that means you know that you are a bad guy. Bye.
So you want to go to Suksagar otherwise?
You want to eat that? I was thinking pav bhaji, vada
I
pav,
hate
pani
pav bhaji.
puri.
I mean, like, I'm up for pani puri, all those kinds of things.
So I was thinking that kind, or like Suksagar jaake we can like dosa, idli.
For me right now, I can eat anything. Ra. If you give me this more, I'll eat you only.
I'd love that. Bye. We'll go to Swad of South. Anytime South India. Better. You're eating puri, huh? Let's eat this first now. Sambal. What's your favorite? So far for me, idli. Let me try puri.
Always idli.
You should say Teji. What's your favorite meals? Tell her.
Sure.
What's your favorite?
Idli.
Bye.
Eat rap. What's yours?
Always and forever, Kamal Kishore Kumar.
Just like my girl.
Take a tissue and wipe it.
Ora.
Babe,
Now my day is like.
this is more. Give the same expression. We saw Kalki now. Now, like, it's a reference to Mahabharata. No? If you are reborn as one of the Mahabharata's character, what would your character be?
Krishna.
Bye. Thoda, I would choose Dhritarashtra for you, by the way. The villain kind. You know what's mine? Will you be able to digest?
You want to pay the bill?
Should I tell her or no? What would Draupadi Ram?
Kunti. Bolo Zuba Kesari.
What does that mean, Ram? What does that mean, Ram?
Pan masala add.
You should laugh for your own jokes, baby. What you do? Babe, why do you need Ram? Put it back.
They gave extra. They saw 2 people. They could have given only 2. Okay. They gave extra so that for us to have.
Lighting is very bad. Is it your face? Maybe. Okay, surprise plan is on. So now we are going there. He doesn't know yet where we are going. Start time, guys. Chuddam. 1 hour undi.
Either that is a plant's place
One hour.
or a pet place.
Vijay, this is your 3rd packet.
Arey, please, it's good. It's mouth freshener only.
It's sugar.
It's not pan masa. For God's sake.
అక్కడ ఒక్కటే ఎందుకు పెడతారా అందరికి? ఒకటి తినాలి కాబట్టి.
No, they gave us 5, no?
You asked them.
No, I just asked for 1 more.
What, Ram?
Nothing.
What is that in your hand?
Nothing.
The other one.
Nothing.
Show, baby. Can you give me that, please?
I'll keep it back.
Have a try, it's fine.
One you can have, it's not like...
Buji, this is the 5th one you're having.
Are you jealous? You also have.
Bye.
It's too tempting. I think I'm low on sugar.
Kisilu. ఈ ఏరియా చూడండి గైస్, సూపర్ ఉంది, ప్లెజెంట్గా. ఫార్మింగ్, పిల్లలు, చెట్లు. ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ రిలీఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సిటీ లైఫ్. చాలా బాగుంది ఏరియా. యాక్చువల్లీ డాగ్ కెనల్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. కొంచెంసేపు ఆడుకున్నాడు.
This was very nice actually.
Did you like it?
It was very lovely. If they let us play with all the dogs.
You were feeling like na to play with all the dogs?
Yeah.
Training ra. There is a strong attachment for both of us and Rain, guys. Ask him. Tell ra.
Yes, whenever we come out it rains.
Tell ra. Tell properly.
Yeah, of course.
What is it? You, me, Rain, and 2014.
Oh my god, this place is so amazing.
Wow, it's raining, ra. We just came to Lepakshi Furniture and Interiors Factory Outlet. Everything is like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, guys. वो देख के इनको चक्कर आ गया अभी.
I was thinking we'll be getting something small miniatures or home decor stuff.
Which is costing maybe like 10 rupees, 20
Hey, come on, not like that. Okay.
2,000, 3,000 or max 5,000.
I mean, yeah, that kind of stuff.
हाँ, but inside the average price is around 5 lakhs, guys.
Not 5 lakhs.
Average price ra 20 लाख का भी आइटम है अंदर.
और क्या है भैया, घर पे खाने के लिए ढोकले है क्या? एक पैकेट वो नॉट ईटिंग रीडिंग है.
Buji, I want pani puri. Means where did you get ra? Perfect now. Pani puri super, guys.
But stomach full.
घर में खाना है.
No,
You don't want
dokla.
You don't want to eat, huh?
I have dokla.
What dokla?
The one we got now that.
That's
Ambaras.
You will eat like that only, dry dokla.
No, there is chutney and mirchi also in that.
Oh, you want to eat that also?
Of course.
How there is space in your stomach, bebo?
There is no, but I'll on the way it will be. I will make some adjustments.
Will unload or what here on Rastan?
Roads will help me to adjust to the space.
That's everything, guys.
Thank you.
Tell something. How was the day and everything? What's the best part?
The day was good. The best part was we got lucky to touch a Great Dane puppy. It was nice.
Not me. I'm a little bit afraid of dogs. Only him. I took him there only for him. Okay, that's it. We're very tired. Signing off. Bye.